Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can upgrade the RAM of Acer Nitro 5. First of all, I'll navigate to my system settings and show you that my current RAM, which is 8 GB, I'm planning to upgrade it to 16. So I bought the RAM module from Amazon and I'll be installing it to the current unit. So first thing first, you have to make sure your laptop is turned off. Once you have turned off, flip it over. For Acer Nitro 5, it's pretty easy. Towards the right, there is a compartment dedicated for you to upgrade the RAM. Unlike other laptops, you don't need to remove the whole screws around the back. Only you have to remove this one. So we'll unscrew this one using a star point screwdriver. I'll be showing you how we can remove the lid as well. As you can see, there is a small wedge towards the side. I'll be using a bit of force to open it. Don't overdo it in such a way that you'll break it off. Just slightly push it up slowly towards the corners and you can remove the lid off. As you can see, this is my RAM which is inbuilt. We'll be adding the external RAM. This is the RAM that I bought from online, Crucial company. I'll be adding the link in the description. So we will need to add this in the secondary slot, which is just right below the primary. Make sure that you are going to place the RAM in the correct position as shown in the video. The units will be towards the front and the naming will be behind. This is a secondary slot. As you can see, I've zoomed in a bit. You can see I'll be placing it like this. Once I've placed it, you have to exert a bit of a force to insert it inside. Then gently push inside until it clips. Once it clips, you can see it's in a straight line and the grid is ready. That's all. You are done. You are upgraded your RAM. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Let's move over to my system. As you can see, it's upgraded to 16 GB. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.